Alright guys, it is time for a major upgrade. The channel's been growing really fast and really good. I think it's time for an upgrade. What's inside this big box? You guys are gonna see in the title already. Well, you guys already saw it already. But let's open up this bad boy. This is the Canon 80D. This is my first DSLR camera. And I'm here to unbox it for you guys. I'm outside, beautiful weather. We're gonna take some test shots. Why not? Beautiful lighting out here. This is the best lighting. If you guys see the unmatching socks, don't mind that. Slide that out. It's time for some improvements. I cannot wait for this camera. Can't wait to make videos and films. This is one of the best camera. Casey Neistat used this camera, a couple of movies, films. I bought this on eBay for $931. This is an amazing bundle, 3 lens. Well, you guys are gonna see right now. So it comes with a bag. So you guys can see a nice little fancy bag. Because a camera this size, you're gonna need a bag. Let's be honest. We're gonna put that on the side for now. It comes with a shotgun mic. So you do need a shotgun mic. Audios will be improved. Whoa. Comes with a book. Wow. I'm gonna read that on my own time. Comes with a wireless shutter. So you don't have to touch the camera. You don't have to touch the record button or the shutter button. This is automatically wirelessly gonna do it. And last but not least, the grand finale itself, the actual camera. So now this camera, Mad Max, this camera right here is gonna be a big change. $1,000 for this whole entire bundle. I would say it's worth every penny. All right, so inside the bag, there's a bunch of goodies in this bag. So inside, you have lenses. Now these lenses, this really, think of the lens as like the eye of the camera, and think of the actual camera as a brain. You know, you need a seat, and that's what the lenses are for. This is a 55 to 250 millimeter lens, so this will be good for the fireworks. Fireworks is around the corner, June 30th. You guys already know I give you guys firework videos every single year. Put that in the side. This is a portrait lens, so this is a I believe this is an 85 millimeter. Let's take this out of this bag. So yeah, nice little lens. This is a portrait lens, so I'm not sure how it is for vlogging. I'm gonna test everything out. Let me wait for that guy to finish over there. Now you get another lens too. So you get in 3 lenses. This is the 18 through 55 millimeter. So you guys can see. Right now I'm shooting on the Canon G7X. I wanted to step up my game. I think that's it inside the bag. The 80D. It's time to step our game up with the video production. So taking it out the box. Okay. I was really expecting this one. You get in the Louis Vuitton strap. So this is handmade. I think this alone is $1,000, I think. And here's your camera. It's not really that heavy, but I think once you install lenses, it's gonna be very heavy. The Canon 80D. Let the production, let the cinema. I can't wait. So this camera right here is gonna be a beast. You have your charger to charge up the camera. Okay, this is a novel. Let me read that in my own time. Microfiber cleaning cloth. I'm not really sure what this is. This is like a little brush, I guess, to clean out the lens. I just cleaned you guys up. A microfiber cleaning cloth. Is this a tripod? I'm not sure what this is. It's like a little small tripod, right? My hand is bigger than this thing. Just a nice little size comparison. This looks like another shutter button and a SD card holder. And that's pretty much the unboxing experience in a nutshell. But let's take a close look at the camera. And I gotta say, I think maybe the battery's in there already. Hopefully you didn't get me. Okay, good. I thought the battery wouldn't even be in there. That would be a huge disappointment. But yeah, just looking at the side of the battery, this is gonna last you like about 3 hours, which is way better than the Canon G7X. The Canon G7X only lasts like about an hour, so that's definitely a nice touch. And especially you have your memory card, so your memory card slot goes on the side there, and actually includes a memory card, which is a nice touch, I must say. It's just a nice touch, I must say. So on the side, you have a memory card, 64 gigabytes. So that's definitely good enough. I have 128 gigabytes, so I'm definitely gonna use that. But it's a nice touch. So you can like vlog, have the screen on the side. That's pretty cool. You have your compartments here. So you have your USB, you have your HDMI out. You have your some kind of like transmitter that goes here, like a port. NFC tag, iPhones don't support it yet. Your mic input, your headphone jack for listening to audio. Your tripod mount on the bottom there. Your shotgun mic, this is where your shotgun mic is gonna go. You have your on and off switch, so actually this little switch here, which you guys can see, that's how you turn on the camera. You have another screen on the top there too, which is nice. And let's take a look at the Louis Vuitton strap. That's definitely important. I'm still gonna keep my Canon G7X for different reasons. Maybe going to a concert, traveling. You don't want to carry this big old camera. So I'm gonna take a couple of shots and I'm gonna pause the video. For the video portion, of course, I'm just gonna walk down the block, see how the quality is for a little bit. But I'm loving this camera. Easy to use. Everything is just straightforward, I would say. I really love this camera, and I'm pretty sure this mic is gonna sound amazing. Alright guys, so this is the Canon 80D currently. I'm using the shotgun mic, the Robe. Is it Robe? Shotgun mic. This camera is big. Walking around in public, I'm not really too sure about this. That's why I want to keep my Canon G7X. But let me know how the picture quality looks. Right now the ISO is 200. Maybe I should bump up the ISO a little bit, but I think this is fine though. Of course, I'm not going to do any kind of color correction and nothing like that. But just showing you guys the quality real quick. And how's the mic? The mic is definitely a big role. The zoom in is definitely amazing. I no longer have to wait a long time, so I can zoom in real quick. And I can zoom right back out. So that's definitely a handy feature compared to the Canon G7X. And I like the fact how you can change the ISO right here on the fly. So I'm gonna end out this video. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of the quality. The audio quality should be improved. The picture quality should be improved. My editing skills is getting a little bit better. It's 2018. Let's try to make things better, man. For real. Let's try to make things better. Make sure you guys smack that subscribe button as well as that like button. Comment down below how's the quality. And other than that, it's your boy Pops, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.